The Ukrainian battlefield is an ideal place to test new weapons and combat vehicles. Leaked images show that the armored personnel carrier Titan S-4x4 manufactured by the Inkas is currently in service with the Ukrainian army. The Titan S is a lightweight version of the Titan vehicles from Inkas, a world leader in armored vehicle manufacturing based in the United Arab Emirates. In a leaked video, the Titan S-4x4 armored vehicle drives through the snow. There is no official information about the sale of the Titan S armored vehicles to Ukraine. The Titan S is an ideal combat and security vehicle suitable for SWAT teams, border patrol, and law enforcement agencies. This vehicle is built on the Toyota Land Cruiser 79 series OEM chassis. Its advantage is the availability of spare parts, as well as the cost-effective operation and maintenance for the military and security forces. Similar to the Titan family of armored vehicles, the design of the Titan S-4x4 is with the engine in the front, the crew in the middle, and the tube compartment at the rear. The vehicle has space for a total of 8 people, including driver and commander, with 4 seats in the front and 4 seats in the back. Soldiers enter and exit through 2 single doors on each side of the hull. According to the manufacturer, the Titan S offers protection up to SAN level B7 against armor-piercing 7.62mm bullets. Titan S has a total weight of 4.8 tons, length is 5.28 meters, width is 2.18 meters, and height is 2.85 meters. Soldiers can use their personal weapons for self-defense through 8 firing ports, 1 on each side door, 2 in the rear, and 2 more in the hull side. For added protection, there is a single-man open-top turret mounted at the front of the roof with armor plates and bulletproof windows on 360 degrees. The Titan S can also be equipped with the remote-controlled weapon station, armed with a 7.62 or 12.7mm machine gun. The Titan S maneuverability is provided by a 4.2-liter V8 diesel engine rated at 128 horsepower at 3,800 revolutions per minute, coupled to a 5-speed manual transmission. The Titan APC can run at a maximum road speed of 110 km per hour and 60 km per hour in off-road conditions, with a maximum cruising range of 750 km.